Well, we're having a day off. The forecast is a bit grey, but it's not raining. So I'm going to meet up with the guys and we're going to have a little bimble out this today. Just heading off now to go and meet up with them. Morning, Steve. There we are, met with the guys, Dave at the front, Steve at the back. We got the old Tango out today. Valerie's bringing up the rear, and good old Vicky's in the middle. We should just be landing in the little Cotswold village in Oxfordshire of Burford. Or heading that way. Oh, river looks a tad high.
This caravan site up near Buxton.
Yep.
And I've just started doing breakfasts in the pub. So it's an actual pub, and behind the pub is the caravan site.
Yep. She's lovely, isn't it?
And the pub started doing breakfasts. Go out for a breakfast.
Is it as good as that one that we did the...
It's a cracker, that is.
That's better. That's better.
That is a cracker. Honestly, it's really, really nice.
Okay, little stop there. Cup of tea and a scone. And we're off. Oh, there we go. We're just about to hit the M5 from south of Worcester. After a good run out. So we're going to run down to the Cotswolds, down to Hereford, across to Gloucester, and made our way over to Ross, up into Ledbury, Malvern, and making our way back up to the Midlands. This is where we're going to come off. Steve's going to carry on his merry way home. Most enjoyable day it's been as well. Well, there we go. Just down here, we're going to go our merry way on the brick in the road. We should be heading up towards Kidderminster while Dave goes into the metropolis. Done a sterling job today, we're leading the way. So, if you like these little videos, always give it the old like, subscribe if you want to see any more. Just remember, when you're out and about on your bikes, stay safe. Thanks for watching. And just remember the name of the game, keep it upright.
Yeah, I must admit that is one of the best ones, man. Really nice.
You have to run us up there, Job. You've got to take us up.
Yeah, it's on the way. So if you wanted to ever go through that Gowick Valley,
Yeah.
there's a cracking route with you there if you wanted to make a day of it.
What's that?
Into that job, walk through like Hams Hall, Utah, past the JCB headquarters, see if he's flying in his helicopter. Yeah. That's it. Up through Oilam, back to Dovedale, up through Manifold Valley, through that massive tunnel, up through Partington, up to Bakewell.
Yeah.
We'll go that way. And then on the way back is that pub with all the food. Really nice.
Yeah, for one.